Love. It's a word we hear everywhere, songs, movies, books, and even in everyday conversations. But what is love, really? Is it just a feeling, a choice, a chemical reaction in our brains? Today we're diving deep into the true meaning of love. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wondered about the nature of love, its different forms, and why it affects us so profoundly, you're in the right place. Love is one of the most complex and powerful emotions we experience, yet it's often misunderstood. In this video, we'll explore the science, psychology, and philosophy behind love and uncover what truly makes it special. First, let's look at love from a scientific perspective. Love isn't just an abstract concept. It has a biological basis. When we fall in love, our brains release a cocktail of chemicals like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin. These chemicals create feelings of happiness, attachment, and even addiction. That's why love can feel euphoric and sometimes even overwhelming. But love isn't just about biology. Psychologists have studied love extensively, and one of the most famous theories is the triangular theory of love by Robert Sternberg. According to this theory, love consists of three components: intimacy, passion, and commitment. Different combinations of these elements create different types of love, such as romantic love, companionate love, and infatuation. So, love is not one size fits all. It evolves and changes depending on our relationships and experiences. Now, let's take a step back and think about love philosophically. Philosophers throughout history have tried to define love in various ways. The ancient Greeks even had different words for different types of love. Eros for romantic love, philia for friendship, storge for family love, and agape for unconditional love. This shows that love is multidimensional and can be expressed in many ways beyond just romance. But here's a question for you. Do you think love is a choice or just something that happens? Some believe love is purely emotional, while others say it requires effort, understanding, and even sacrifice. Let me know in the comments what you think. So, what is love? Is it chemistry? Is it connection? Is it commitment? The truth is, love is all of these things and more. It's what makes us human, what brings us joy, and sometimes even pain. But one thing is for sure, love is one of the most powerful forces in our lives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more thought-provoking content. And tell me, in the comments, what does love mean to you? See you in the next video.